Want a leather cover to protect your precious key fob? Hi, today I will show you how to craft a leather key fob cover. Prepare 2 leather pieces and dip it into the water to make it wet. Put the wet leather pieces into the molding plates. Compress the leather inside the molding plates with some C-clamps. Clamp the molding tightly to get good results. After several hours, the leather dried and got the shape. Dye the leather pieces with the wool brush dipped into the dye bottle. Remember to brush the dye on the leather evenly to get a beauty solid color. When the dye on the leather is dried, apply color fixative solutions to protect the color. Use the special tool to punch the button hole on the key fob cover. If you don't have the tool, you can cut the hole by hand. Try your best to focus and cut the holes accurately. Now, cut the opening for the leather cover. This will let your key slides inside the leather cover. Punch the loop hole for inserting the key chain. Apply the gum on the edges of button holes in the opening. Sand the edges for smooth and even surface. Also sand the opening edges, too. Apply the edge paint on the opening edges. Remember to apply the edge paint on the button holes. Punch the stitching holes with leather chisel. Punch the holes carefully so the cover gets a nice stitching lines and curves. Repeat the same process with the other side. Apply the glue on the cover evenly. Don't apply too much, otherwise you will leave a lot of excess glue. To glue the key fob cover perfectly, put the key fob inside the cover. Any mistake will make the cover hard to fix, as the glue will hold the item firmly, which is hard to separate. Now, let's stitch the key fob cover. This is a time-consumption process. Just be patient. Cut the excess leather of the key fob cover. Apply the gum on the edges of the cover and sand it. Now the edges of the cover is smooth. This time, apply the edge paint on it. Keep focusing and move your hand smoothly. The edge is finished nicely. Now apply the conditioner on the leather key fob cover. Use the key chain to secure the key fob cover. By putting the D-ring to line up the screw hole on the D-ring with the loop holes of the cover. Slide the screw in and drive it with a small screwdriver. The key fob cover now can be used. Thank you for watching.